Hey friends, if you encounter the error code 0xd0000225, then please watch this video. So it can be with various codes like this user wasn't added to the PC, or it can be with the code login pin not being available. So basically this error is what signifies that you need to clear the ngc folder and you do not have access to it by default. So to get access to it, you will use the first command. I'll share it with you in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. The next command will rename this folder. So copy it and then paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.